Well, I'd like to show an approach that you might find useful when you've been using gCADPlus. If I zoom out a little and pan across here, and this design has been done starting with a template. In that template, there are a whole series of hardscape blocks for the north point, sliding door, swing doors, and so on, the sort of entities that you want to put on the footprint of the building. And over on the right, symbols commonly used in this design studio's work. And each of these is a block, and each of them has an association of that symbol block with the gCADPlus GardenCAD database file. So we can generate a plant schedule really easily. The idea behind it is to use match properties to make setting a design up relatively easily. So let's just zoom in here, and there's the footprint of the building. Our design is taking shape. All sorts of notes have been added, but let's say for the sake of argument we want to put the correct line type style with the boundary. And if we come in here, there's the site boundary. If we right click, and I was hoping to be able to use modify and match properties on my right click, the next time I try it I'll have it there, but I can select the site boundary line there and then just apply it to the site boundary. So you can match the properties of anything in the little area here and apply it in the design. So the template with a whole series of prompts and commonly used entities enables the generation of that design quickly and easily. There's even a QA design check telling the designer, reminding the designer that have you visited the site, have you identified all the specimens, the vegetation on site to genus and species level, have you recognised any environmental weeds that need to be removed, has the plant schedule got all the required information required by the local council authority, have you put in information about tree protection, maintenance and so on, have you met indigenous planting requirements, are permeability requirements met 75% and above. A lot of these things are included in our tools and sustainability calculator, this one here, which pops up those very same questions and can be accessed easily. And if you check planning approvals, so we run a test plant schedule, a list of diagrams we need to add to layout spaces for tree planting and shrub planting, and compacted pathways, garden bed preparation notes and so on. So the template is a prompt to designers working in this practice to be consistent in their approaches to design. So I hope you find that an interesting approach to using a template in gCADPlus.